Happy day, my dear kids. Have you all understood the concept of word problems in chapter 2? Today also we are going to see word problem in chapter 2. Let me see the problem.
Adam has 462 stamps. He has 68 fewer coins than stamps. How many coins does he have? How many stamps and coins does he have altogether? What we have to find here? We have to find these two answers for these two questions. Look at the first sentence. Adam has 462 stamps. First we have to draw bar diagram for the given question. What it is given? Adam has 462 stamps. How many stamps Adam have? 462 stamps. For that, bar diagram has been drawn. Now go to the next sentence. He has 68 fewer coins than stamps, which means from 462
Adam has 68 fewer coins.
we have to use these two bar diagrams to find how many coins does Adam have. From here we have to subtract 68 fewer coins from 462 stamps. So 462 and we have to subtract 68 from 462. Then what will you get it as answer? You have to do normal subtraction. 462 minus 68. Look at here. 2 is smaller than 8, so you have to share from here. Then 12 minus 8. 12 minus 8 is 4 by using number bond method. Then here if you share 1 to 1's place, then it will be 5. So 5 is smaller than 6, so you cannot subtract it. Again you have to share from next place, which means hundreds place.
Tens place becomes 15.
Then 4 becomes 3. 15 minus 6 is 9. 3 minus nothing is 3. Therefore, you got the answer as 394 if you subtract 68 from 462. Therefore, totally how many coins does Adam have? Adam has 394 coins. There are 394 coins. Then what is the next question to find? How many stamps and coins does he have altogether? For that again you have to draw here. To find answer for second question, again we have to draw bar diagram. We already know that we have 462 stamps and we had find how many coins are there with Adam. So how many coins are there with Adam? 394 coins are there with Adam. So what we have to find here? We have to add these two to find total number of stamps and coins. So you have to add 462 plus 394. If you add both these, you will get the answer by using normal addition method. 394. 4 and 2 makes 6. 9 and 6 makes 15, and 1 goes to the next place. So 4 and 3 makes 7. 7 plus 1, 8. Therefore, if you add both the numbers, that means if you add number of stamps and number of coins, you get the answer as 856 stamps and coins altogether. Therefore, how many stamps and coins are there altogether? There are 856 stamps and coins altogether. Whenever you are doing word problem, you should draw bar diagram for word problems. In page number 42, practice 5, few problems are given. From that, problem number 1, problem number 2 and problem number 6. These three problems are given as assignment for today's work. So I have represented date and homework. So these three problems you have to do it in your classwork copy. Write it as word problem in your classwork copy. Then write today's date and write it as HW. Then write the first question number as 1. Then write the question. Then you have to do first question's answer after drawing bar diagram. After drawing bar diagram, you have to subtract these two values, 39 minus 24. Similarly, you have to do second and sixth problem. After completing first problem, you have to leave one line, then write second problem, then write the question. Again, you have to write the answer for second question. You have to draw bar diagram for each and every word problem. Okay children, cans are given and bottles are given. You have to subtract these two, then you will get number of bottles. First one, you have to subtract these two values, 507 minus 79. For second question, you have to add 507 plus number of bottles you got after subtracting it. So you have to add number of cans and number of bottles. Then you will get how many does Ali have altogether. Okay children, you have to do these three problems as homework in your classwork copy. Okay children.
In practice 5, you have more problems to practice it. Read the problem clearly, understand the concept, then do the problems. Thank you dears. If you want to see more videos about mathematics of grade 2, subscribe the channel Red Hot Spicy Samayal and watch the videos from this channel.